Hello and welcome to D-Class TV, where today on this very overcast and wet damp day we have this gorgeous white Mercedes 250 SL to give a little bit of brightness. This car came to us needing a full interior restoration, and I'd like to show you some progress on exactly what we've done. Welcome back. Now I'd just like to take you over the interior and exactly what we did. The customer came to us knowing that a white exterior normally lends itself quite nicely to pretty much choose whichever colour you like when it comes to the interior. Now the car originally had a black throughout, and it was actually the vinyl tex. They wanted to go to leather to give it a nice upgrade, and they're pretty adamant they wanted to go with the blue. The Mercedes actually only offered 3 shades when it came to the blue of this period, and they chose, and I think quite correctly and quite nicely, to go with something a little bit more brighter. So as you can see, we finished it off in the Mercedes old-timer leather, including the original basket weave centres and the leather piping. While we're there, we fitted brand new seat foams to the internals. We powder coated and treated all of the seat frames, and we cleaned all the bright work while we were there to completely finish off the seats and present them as they are in the car. When it came to the carpet, this car being a 250 SL and the early 250 SL, the box weave carpet that we have in this car is the period correct one for the time. Again, going with the fact that the customer chose a lighter blue leather, the natural thought process was to go with the lighter blue square weave carpet. Again, the nice offset between keeping it bright in there and not too dark has worked out really well. They've also chosen to go with a set of overmats just to keep the protection to the original floor mats. So a nice addition to the 113 SL to the European markets was the fact you could add a third seat, known as a side-facing rear seat or a buddy seat. The customer actually sourced this as a second-hand item. We've retrimmed it to matching leather, and as you can see, we've even added a seat belt just for extra safety. And finally, to finish off, the customer chose a dark blue Sonnenland mohair hood to complement the white exterior, which I'm sure you agree actually finishes the car off really nicely. Now this car is going to be going off to the mechanics. It's having the engine and gearbox fitted just in time for the customer to enjoy it if we ever get a nice summer. Thank you again for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I look forward to showing you the next video. Thank you and goodbye.